In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and set up ChatGPT on your laptop or computer. To get started, open the web browser on your laptop or desktop computer. You can use whichever browser you normally prefer as long as it's updated and working properly. Once your browser is open, go to the official ChatGPT website or the official app download page. It's important to use the official source so you can make sure you're downloading the correct and most secure version of the app. When you arrive at the website, take a moment to find the version that matches your device. Depending on what kind of computer you're using, you may see different options for Windows or Mac. Choosing the correct version is important because it helps the app install properly and run smoothly on your system. If an app version is available for your device, go ahead and start the download. After the file finishes downloading, locate the installer file on your computer. In most cases, you'll find it in your downloads folder, unless your browser saves files somewhere else by default. Open the installer file to begin the setup process. If your computer asks for permission to allow the installer to make changes, approve it so the installation can continue. Next, simply follow the setup instructions shown on your screen. These instructions are usually straightforward and may include accepting terms, choosing an install location, or clicking through a few confirmation windows. Take your time and read each screen carefully so you know exactly what is being installed. In most cases, the default settings will work perfectly fine for most users. Once the installation is complete, open the ChatGPT app from your desktop, applications folder, or start menu, depending on your operating system. You'll then be prompted to sign into your ChatGPT account. Enter your account details and complete the login process. If you don't already have an account, the official page will usually guide you through creating one before you sign in. After signing in, you're ready to start using ChatGPT from your laptop or computer. You can begin asking questions, generating ideas, drafting text, or using it for everyday tasks right away. And that's it. If you followed each step carefully, ChatGPT should now be installed and ready to use on your computer.